Hello, user. This video will talk about the CSS combinators. So let's see the example of the CSS combinators. There are the four type of CSS combinators. One is an descendant space and child selector by using that greater than symbol and plus adjacent sibling selector, and next one there's a till symbol for the general sibling selector. So these are all how it is working. Let's see in the example. Okay, so here you can see the paragraph, right? So let's consider for the paragraph for the combinators. So if you are using the p tag, okay, so space selector, first we have to check the space selector. So create a one div for this. Okay, so then so inside this div block, there are the p tags, right? So space selector, how we have to write is one is a div and space of p. Then here you can add the background color of aqua. Okay, so let's see the example space select. See the space selector, it is working. It is applied, right? So for that inside div p tag, if it is available, then it will select the outside of the div. If there is a p tag, then it won't apply. Okay, so let's see the p tag, and this is outside p element. Okay, see this it won't apply it, so because it is not inside the div block, right? So then next is isn't the child selector. So if you give that this one, so it will apply this one. Okay, so if inside the p tag, or if you create any section in the uh, in the div block, if you create any section tag and create a one more p tag, and this is inside section tag p elements. Okay, so for this, right, see this is it won't applied for the child selector, right? The child selector it won't applied. If you give the space selector, then it will apply inside the div for all the things. See, you can see, right? So previously the child selector it won't apply for this one because it is inside this section one, but it is inside also the div block, but again one more child for the section tag, so that it won't apply for the child selector. It will apply the space selector. So the next one is an adjacent sibling selectors. Adjacent sibling selector, if you give the plus for this d1 block, so it will apply the last one outside of the div block, right? So because it's a sibling selector, so next whatever if you create number of p tag, it won't apply inside the div block, it will apply the outside of the p tag. See, plus only. So there is a till is there, right? What is that general sibling selector? That one it will apply for all the things, all the p selector. See, all the p selector of the outside of the div block. So there is a general adjacent sibling selector. It will apply only one p tag after div sibling selector. Then general it will apply all the things, not inside the div block. So this is the difference of the combinators. That's it in this video. Thank you.